welcome back to the Fox's Den. I'm Roxanne and this is the kitchen segment. Today we're going to make bacon s'mores. Recently the girls did a video trying different types of bacon flavored edible, I don't know what, they weren't yummy, that's for sure. There was jelly beans and gumballs and a soda and popcorn. And we love bacon, but I have to tell you, every single one of those items was gross, or every single one of those treats were disgusting. And I think it's because they had like a fake smoky flavor to it. So we have here today real bacon, real chocolate, real marshmallow. You hear that beep in the background? Apparently I need a battery in my smoke detector, but I don't have time to do it. So it's just gonna roll. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to make the graham cracker part into bacon. Sweet, salty, kind of yummy, and I want to show you how to lay that out. So what I had was a pound of bacon, and I cut it in half. When I cut it in half, it made strips like this. So I put some parchment on the pan here just to protect it, and I put 2 strips down, close together, like this. The fan is on too. I'm competing with the fan in the background because I'm making one of these and I'm going to show you how it goes. Alright, so like that. And then it takes 3 strips and you sort of have to do like a lattice. Like you put up one and then you lay it over. So what I did was I pulled up one part and I laid it over. So we're making sort of like a little lattice work. Then there's a third where I put it on top and then I put it under, and this went over. So it's just the opposite. And then one more. So what you need are 5 pieces. That's what I needed. You might, it depends upon the size of your bacon. So that's what I used, was 5 strips. Okay. And then they make, it's good when they're really, really cold. This is not so cold because I was prepping. All right, so there's one. I'm going to make another one like that. I'm going to make 2. They're very rich, so I'm just only making 2, and 2 actually makes 4. And then I will show you what they look like when we are all done, and the girls love them, and they will be having some. And I will show you that. You know, Lexi's reactions are always interesting. All right, I'm going to assemble these, and then I will talk to you about how to finish. We have 2 right here, and we're going to put them in a, well, it depends upon where you live. We're in South Jersey, so we don't have to worry about altitude. If you're out by Colorado, we have family out that way. Baking and cooking is a little different there. But we're going to put on, we're going to turn the oven on to 400 degrees. Some people might have to put it on broil. I am not. It would be too high. And then I am going to broil them. I will let you know for how long at the very end because I'm not even sure myself. I'm kind of test driving it right now. Now, I also want to tell you that you will need a jar of fluff. I know that s'mores is made with marshmallows. This is marshmallow. It's just, and you can use any brand you want, it's just already melted. And it will work better for, instead of having a graham cracker, and we are going to have the bacon, and the heat of the bacon will help to melt it down. So we have the fluff, and I have semi-sweet chocolate chips. If you wanted to use milk chocolate, fine, but these are semi-sweet, only to ensure that it all melts down. I know a traditional s'mores would have like candy bars, but this is just the play on the flavors. And I will be back to show you how to assemble. Okay, looks a little smoky to me in here, but that's okay. Here we go. So, here it is. It stays intact. I put it on paper towels just to pat it, just to get the extra grease off. And it's still hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the chocolate on first. I'm going to spread it around. It's starting to melt already. And you can put as much as you like. There are no real exact measurements on this one. Wow, it really looks smoky in here. It's starting to melt. As you can see, I just laid it on. And then, now the trick is, if you take the spoon or whatever you're scooping this out with, if you're not using something that is like a rubber texture and you're using something like this, you could spray it with a little bit of Pam, or you can hit it with a little bit of oil, just wipe it off, and then it makes it easier to get this out. I did not do that. So I wanted to say a plop of marshmallow. Every time I cook, I use that word. Who would think that you use the word plop when you're cooking? I don't know, it sounds funny. I like lots of marshmallow. And then we put it on. Now, what you could do is you could take another lettuce that you had done and put on top, or you can fold them over. Oh my gosh, it's already getting all melted and gooey. I'm just going to plate it right there. The girls are going to die. I'm going to show you. I'm in the light. You would think I didn't know what I was doing. I'm going to have the girls sample it for you, and I'm going to plate up the rest, and we'll get back to you. They're going to be delicious. They're not very good for your health, I don't think, but everything in moderation. A little bite, we can share. Bring it over to the girls. It's going to be good. Here we go. Bacon s'mores. Let's go.
Ooh.
They're messy. We got the paper plates
They
out.
actually kind of look good.
I know. Just take a bite.
How about you rip one off?
Doesn't matter. No one else is going to eat them but us.
Go, Abbo.
Marshmallow. Oh, good boy. I'm not a big fan of marshmallow.
I know you're not a big fan of marshmallow.
Oh my God, there's so much chocolate in there, Ro.
I know. I stuffed them.
It's so oozy.
I know. Just pull it up to your mouth and bite on it, Em.
Oh my God. All right, let's try it out. Oh my God, that's like heaven.
It's sweet and salty. It's really good.
Oh my goodness.
It's good, right?
It's really good.
Good. So good. All right. Thumbs up, thumbs down. All right. I knew the girls were going to love these. Try it. It's really simple. The directions are going to be in the description below. The amounts are up to you. Try it. If you like bacon, try it. If you're adventurous, try it. Just try it. It's fun. Okay, thank you. Have a good night. Sorry for the smokiness. I guess that goes with the whole bacon theme. If you haven't subscribed and you'd like to have more recipes and share our stories with you, please subscribe, comment, like, and share. That's how we get to communicate. Thank you and have a good night.